again. So now that we have the bigger trend picture going here, what am I looking for? I'm looking for a new low, and I'm looking for it, down here in the calculations. We're right into that on 60-minute at 22. And I mean, if you're going to get long, now's the time to do it, but I'm not doing it just yet. Here, let's go. This thing's going to keep on dumping. It looks like we might find new lows. Setup is 45.2261. We need to close over that. 4.5 over that. I'll buy the dip into it, but we just got the VIX is climbing. I just don't really trust the long here, but I'll give this thing a minute. Yeah, it looks like it's going to find new lows. The bounce is looking juicy, right? It is. It's just looking juicy, but I just can't seem to pull the trigger here. Let's let this 5-minute candle close. If it closes under, no dice. If it closes over, I'm going to take it. It looks like we're going to close under. Take the guesswork out for me. I like that. There we go. Yeah, break that 22.76. Right on. The great short is going to be under 4,500. So, yeah, see, I'm glad I didn't touch it, man. That's good, good. That's where that system works. Really, using time and price is almost like perfection, man. It saves you so much bullshit. See that? So there is no long. I'm not touching the long now. I'm not getting short here at 22, but I'm not touching the long. I want to see if we can get a 5-minute candle bounce back to the open print. That's where I want to be short.